Are you planning to work in Belgium in 2026? Before you apply, stop for 1 minute. Belgium is not a quick visa country. It is not a lottery system. And it is definitely not a country where agents can guarantee work permits. So what is the truth? Can foreigners really get a Belgium work permit? Is visa sponsorship real? How much salary do you need? How long does the process take? Can you bring your family? Is permanent residence possible? In this video, I will explain everything clearly, honestly, and step by step. No fake promises, no shortcuts, only real information. If you are serious about working in Europe, this video can save you from costly mistakes. Today, Belgium is the second country of series which I started, and Iceland was the first country. If you not watched that video, then you can check playlist of this channel, which link I drop in description box. There you will get lots of other helpful visa and immigration topic videos too. Let's begin our today video. Why Belgium? Belgium is a small but economically strong country in Western Europe. Belgium is a very beautiful country with rich culture and traditions. It shares borders with France, Germany, the Netherlands, and Luxembourg. The capital city is Brussels. Brussels is not just the capital of Belgium, it is also the political center of the European Union. It's considered as a powerful job hub in Europe. Many international organizations and global companies operate there. Salary good with attractive working rights and chances of career growth high too. Belgium has a population of around 11.5 million people. Languages in Belgium. Belgium has 3 official languages: Dutch, mainly in Flanders region, French, mainly in Wallonia region, German, small eastern region. English is widely used in international companies, especially in Brussels. Climate. Belgium has a mild oceanic climate. Winters are cool, not extremely cold. Summers are mild, not very hot. Rain is common throughout the year. If you come from a tropical country, you will need time to adjust. Nature of people. They polite, believe on hard work, like to communicate and follow time management religiously, serious about work-life balance. Understanding workplace culture is very important for long-term success. Do you need a work permit? This depends on your nationality. If you are a citizen of a European Union country, you do not need a work permit. But if you are from a non-EU country, such as Pakistan, India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Philippines, Nepal, and African countries, you must have a job offer, employer sponsorship, and approved work authorization. Belgium does not offer a general job seeker visa for non-EU nationals. This means you cannot move to Belgium first and then search for work. You must secure a job before applying. Belgium Work Permit System, Single Permit. Belgium uses a system called the Single Permit. The Single Permit combines work authorization and residence authorization. This means you apply for both together in one process. Important: you cannot apply alone. Your employer in Belgium must submit the application on your behalf. Now discuss step-by-step process. Let me explain clearly. Step 1. Find a job. You must receive a genuine job offer from a Belgian employer. Without a job contract, the process cannot begin. Step 2. Employer applies for single permit. Your employer submits employment contract, salary details, company documents, application forms. The application is sent to the regional authority. Belgium has 3 regions: Flanders, Wallonia, Brussels capital. Each region processes applications separately. Step 3. Regional decision. The regional authority checks whether the job meets legal requirements, whether salary meets threshold, and whether labor market conditions are respected. If approved, the file goes to the Immigration Office for residence approval. Final approval. If both work and residence parts are approved, you receive an official approval letter. Step 5. Apply for Type D visa. You then apply for a long-stay visa at the Belgian embassy in your country. After visa approval, you can travel to Belgium. Salary requirements 2026. Belgium has salary thresholds for certain categories, especially for highly skilled workers. The exact salary numbers are updated every year by the authorities. For highly skilled workers, the gross annual salary must meet a minimum amount defined by law. If the salary offered is below the required threshold, the work permit can be rejected. This is very important. Before accepting any job offer, always confirm that the salary meets legal minimum requirement, it matches your category, such as highly skilled, regular worker, etc. Never rely only on verbal promises. Processing time. Processing time varies. On average, 2 to 4 months. Sometimes faster, sometimes slower. Factors that affect processing: region, completeness of documents, workload of authorities. Be careful of anyone promising approval in 2 weeks. That is not realistic. Documents required. Documents usually include from employer, signed contract, company registration proof, salary details, application forms. From employee, valid passport, degree certificates, work experience letters, Europass CV and cover letter, police clearance certificate, medical certificate. Some documents may need official translation, legalization, or apostille. Incorrect documents delay applications. After arrival in Belgium. After arriving, number 1, register at your local municipality. Number 2, provide your address. Number 3, residence check may happen. Number 4, receive residence card, a card. This card allows you to work legally, stay legally. Can you bring family? Yes, family reunification is possible, but you must show stable and sufficient income, suitable housing, health insurance. The process takes time. Your spouse may have the right to work depending on your status. Always verify updated conditions before applying. Can you change employer? Under single permit rules, if you want to change employer, the new employer must submit a new application. You must wait for approval. You cannot start working for a new employer without authorization, so always plan carefully before changing jobs. Permanent residence, PR, when possible. After 5 years of continuous legal residence, you may apply for long-term European residence. Requirements usually include continuous stay, stable income, health insurance, clean criminal record, integration requirements. Belgian citizenship is possible under certain conditions after legal residence and integration. Jobs in demand in Belgium. Common shortage sectors include information technology, engineering, healthcare, construction, logistics, and skilled technical trades. However, shortage does not mean automatic visa. You still need employer sponsorship. Where to find jobs? You can get job for Belgium by applying directly to company websites, visit LinkedIn, Belgium, international job boards, Indeed, Belgium, but must verify company authenticity before proceed your application. Never follow or depend on agents. You must choose legal and official way to get settled in Belgium. Legitimate employers do interviews. If you still not subscribe this channel, then please subscribe now and hit the bell icon for more visa and immigration updates, because on this channel you will get authentic and real information about visa and immigration. Now discuss Belgium cost of living. Belgium is relatively expensive. In Brussels, rent is high, groceries moderate to high, transportation moderate, taxes high. However, benefits include strong healthcare system, social security, paid leave, and worker protection. Full-time workers receive at least 20 days of paid leave per year. Working conditions. Standard working week is around 38 hours. Belgium has strong labor protections. Employees receive paid holidays, sick leave, social security coverage. Taxes. Belgium has progressive taxation. Higher income means higher tax percentage. Income tax and social contributions are deducted automatically from salary. Always calculate your expected net salary before relocating. Now, discuss advantages and challenges. Advantages: strong economy, central location in Europe, high-quality public services, worker protection. Challenges: high taxes, language barriers, competitive job market, strict immigration rules. Belgium is realistic, not easy. Common mistakes: applying without checking salary threshold, submitting incomplete documents, trusting fake agents, ignoring contract details, not understanding local language importance. Avoid these mistakes. Honest reality: Belgium work permit is possible, but only if you have skills, you get a genuine job offer, employer supports you, documents are correct. There is no shortcut. Anyone promising guaranteed visa without employer is misleading you. Final advice for you all: always check official Belgium government sources for updated rules, because rules and regulations can be changed at any time. Immigration laws can change. Salary thresholds update yearly. If this video helped you, then like it, share with your loved ones, and comment below Belgium 2026. See you in next video with topic of Belgium EU Blue Card versus Work Permit. Till then, be happy, apply smart, and remember, never give up on your dream of moving abroad.